Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating the problem quickly. Open an incognito tab and a status checker to confirm the site is down for you versus everyone. Next, restart your modem and router. Power off, wait 30 to 60 seconds, power on, because many issues resolve at the network layer. Once done, flush browser cache and the system DNS cache, then switch to a public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolver problems. You now move to server diagnostics. Inspect CPU, memory, disk I/O, and active processes to identify overloads or runaway tasks. Then review web server access and error logs plus application logs for repeated 5xx responses and stack traces. These tell you where requests fail. After isolating the service, restart components in a controlled sequence: web server, database, then app workers, so dependencies come back cleanly. Make sure to monitor metrics during restarts to detect immediate regressions. You finish by validating the endpoint from different networks and running a traceroute to spot routing or firewall blocks. This distinguishes network from server faults. If the problem started after a deploy or config change, roll back to the last known good version and test again, because many outages follow recent changes. If the site still won't respond, escalate with precise evidence: error logs, timestamps, request ID, and current CPU/RAM metrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.